Introducing his opponent, out of the blue corner, representing Bold MMA, weighing 56.7 kilos, flyweight division. Ladies and gentlemen, Shashank Shivana.
Okay, guys, moving on to the next bout, we have Shashank Shivana from Bold MMA taking on Varun from the red corner from Cool Combat Club.
Obey my instruction, okay? Okay. Close.
Red corner Varun, blue corner Shashank. So both the fighters are taking the center. Varun has taken the center. Now Varun was taking a takedown, but Shashank immediately realized it. Beautiful double leg takedown by Varun. Immediately secured a beautiful double leg, and now control the top position. He's controlling the top position. Now Varun, let's see if Varun can utilize this. Varun is properly controlling Shashank, using his hooks, butterfly hook, but Shashank is hitting his butterfly hooks. He's not allowing Varun to posture up. Hello, sir. It's a beautiful setup here. A beautiful. Varun is trying to control posture. If you're noticing, Shashank is trying to attempt a submission, but Varun is holding strong. Shashank should be careful because I think Varun should be careful. I think Shashank is going for a triangle choke. He's attempting a triangle choke down here. He's almost sinking in the choke, but so let's see how good. You almost locked in. Let's see if he can finish it. A beautiful lock, but the lock is on the wrong side. If Shashank can change the direction of the lock, I think he can get the choke. Just keep the switch on the wrong side. Now Varun, Shashank is trying to finish. He readjusted. The lock is on the wrong side. Should switch the lock. The lock should be on the other side, but he's trying to finish while the lock is on the wrong side. He should just control the head and switch the lock to finish the triangle. Right now, the lock is on the wrong side. Varun successfully surviving. I hope Shashank's corner has not realized that lock is on the wrong side, but Varun is pounding him from top and trying to break the hold. Sure. So please, sir.
It would be honor. Introduce him. Okay. Yeah. On the mic. You can see, sir. You can see, no?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we have Jitendra Khare sir. If you know MMA in India, you should be knowing Jitendra Khare sir from Bombay Team Relentless. He's here, and it's an honor to sit beside him and commentate on the fights.
It's an honor to be here, guys. Thank you for having me.
So, what do you think, sir? Malayuddha, like giving opportunity to such fighters, for amateur fighters, at this stage, where not many promotions are giving such good production team, having such a good production team, and they're giving all the good opportunities at the very grassroots level.
So I think this is exactly what MMA in India requires to grow. We need platforms like these that are giving amateur fighters this kind of again the term platform, yeah, but this is great because at the end of the day, I have truly believed that the more these amateur fighters fight, the more experience they are going to get, and it's all about the cage time at the end of the day. I mean, I've seen Jitesh, since 2011, and to see him put this up, I think is so great because I know that Jitesh has also gone through the grind, and he has worked his way up in Indian MMA, and to see him realize that and give the fighters the opportunity they deserve is really nice. It's huge congratulations to Jitesh for putting this event together. And I know that he's consistently doing these events and providing a platform, and I really wish that we had more events like these across India. I know that there are a few events like Warrior Dream Series, KFN, Atuto that are doing this, but this is what we need for Indian MMA.
Absolutely, sir. I'm like all these events together. This will help up to building the talent. Right now, the sport is not exposed much, but such events will definitely give an exposure and let new audience and new youngsters to take up the sport. And we don't know, there's a lot of hub of talent in India which are not just exposed. So these things can give a stage to prove themselves and come out on bigger stages.
Yeah, I mean, I've always believed that platforms like these are a good testing place because even as amateur fighters, one is they most fighters recognize that they need to work harder because they get to fight people who are equally hungry, who are at their level, and they realize that if they want to make this a career, they want to grow, they have to work harder, they have to train harder. Or on the other end of the spectrum, they realize that maybe they love the sport, but fighting isn't for them. But I think this is a very, very good testing ground for amateur fighters.
Absolutely, sure. So thank you for being on the panel, sir. Wish you good luck for your team and you, sir.
Thank you for having me once again. Absolute honor and pleasure.
Oh, let's go back to the action, guys. So we have here again so let's resume the action, guys. We have here Varun on top, landing some good strikes. Beautiful hammer fist from Varun from top. And it's a beautiful end of round, guys. Let's go to the last round. Let's see how things will go between Varun and Shank. Almost there. Almost. Let's go for the third round, guys. Once more, we have Shashank in the blue corner and Varun in the red corner. We have here Shashank going for a front tip. And we have here Varun changing the level and take a beautiful double leg takedown. Now Varun is holding on to him. He's driving him towards the cage. Varun need to do some damage from here. Varun is completely on top. I think Varun should make use of this position, control him and start damaging him. At the same time, Shashank is escaping. He's trying to escape, but he ended up giving mount. A beautiful submission from Varun from the red corner.
Check. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the winner. Winner via submission RNC. Let's make some noise from the red corner. Give it up for the cool people. Make some noise for them.
So we have Varun MC, winner by RNC, Good Combat Club, in the third round.